Welcome to my channel. What do I do if my Virgin Internet is not working? 1. Reboot your router. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on to refresh the connection. 2. Inspect the router lights. Look at the LED lights on your Virgin router. A flashing or steady orange/green light could indicate a problem. Refer to the router manual for specific meanings. 3. Verify cable connections. Ensure all cables, power, coaxial, Ethernet, are securely connected to the router and the wall outlets. 4. Check for overheating. Feel the router's surface. If it's unusually hot, turn it off for 15 minutes and ensure it has proper ventilation. 5. Reconnect devices. Forget the Wi-Fi network on your devices, then reconnect using the correct network name, SSID, and password. 6. Run a speed test. Check your connection speed. Slow speeds might indicate an issue with the line. 7. Reset the router. If problems persist, press and hold the router's reset button for 10 to 30 seconds to restore it to factory settings. Note, this will erase custom settings. 8. Test with a wired connection. Connect a device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable to see if the issue is limited to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.